Hello and welcome to the first dragon vlog ever with Rarity. Today we're going to go on an awesome nature walk around my backyard, cruisers. So we'll start. Now I'm suggesting it's going to get a bit very bright out here because today's such a wonderful day. Can't you see? Such a beautiful day today. So, let's start. Today we're going here on this fine morning walking through. It's going to be so bright. So, put on your sunglasses. Here's around the place. Now, we stop here to chat a little bit about Nevada. If you people don't know about Nevada, it's cool. I've been saying a lot about Nevada. So, Nevada, everybody should know this. Okay, Nevada used to be underwater with our state fossil, the ichthyosaur. I mean, everybody who lives in Nevada should know this, but everybody who doesn't, I just told you. So that's awesome. Again, this is the Dragon Vlog, and I love the Dragon Vlogs because I'm in the Dragon Vlogs. Oh, and let's see if we can dig for any ichthyosaur fossils. Woohoo! Oh, look at those flowers! These are the kind of seasons where the flowers get so pretty. Like this red rose. Wait, where's the rose? Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. Don't you love the rose? Hey, and it's May. April showers bring my flowers. So there are the flowers, the plants, and the grass, and the rocks, the trees, and the annoying creepy crawlies. Very annoying creepy crawlies. And it's the time for tennis and basketball, fun stuff like that. And watching dogs run around. Oh, that's Victory. He's a boy. He's cute. Anyway, here we are. Pretty lazy. Nevada's awesome. Woo! Nevada is called Battleborn because it became a state in World War I. Watch out for the scooter. Yeah. Scootering rocks. I love scootering. Look at the pool. It's such an awesome pool, isn't it? I like sitting here to look at the pool. Because the pool's so pretty. So pretty. How you doing, pool? Get out of my way! Whoa. Some pools are angry today. So it would be great to get out of its ways. Oh my gosh, it's a bumblebee moth! Cool! Hello, Mr. Moth. Sorry, I love animals. Bye, Mr. Moth. And the magnet. Aha, I'm bad at painting, but I'm good at drawing. Look, let's all sit around the campfire. Lord Jesus, fire. Sorry. Here's the pretty campfire. Shut up, birds! Shut up! Oh my gosh, they listen to me. I must be the ruler. Isn't it awesome? The rocks, the lamp, the trees, the roses! Roses! Okay, I don't think that's a rose. It's a pink blob. Pink blob of pretty. Pink blob of pretty. This fine morning day is such a fine morning day. I love these walking. It's the moth again. Hello, moth. Such a beautiful scenery. Let's go into the grasslands. Woohoo! Here we are, the Lora's Land, where creepy crawlies stay. Crap like that. And guess who beat us there? Hello, Victory. Hello. Victory, you have a mustache. Whee! You have a mustache. The pretty plants. I wouldn't stand in those plants. They've got webs in them. Trampoline! Let's stop bouncing on the trampoline. Oh, oh, oh! My dog's toy. That's what he was looking for. Victory. Take your toy. Yeah, sniff that toy, dog. Anyway. Slide. Woohoo! Awesome. Everything's so wonderful today. Swings,